I've created this link tree so you guys know where to go. If you want to support me as a creator and send in tips and a thank you message, you can do so through the support me section. If you want to private message me about the course or the mentorship, it's through the Twitter section. Confusion over the last day because of what my title was saying. First of all, what I just want to say is that my titles and my thumbnails, never, ever, ever, ever listen to them. You need to understand, unfortunately, YouTube is about clickbaiting. So, first of all, anyway, I would never recommend making a judgment on anyone's videos on the thumbnail or the title, especially when, you know, a title is like 50 words and a picture, there's like not even 10 words in it. So you're not going to get your answers truly in there. Everyone's clickbaiting you, unfortunately. So the truth is always in the videos. Some of you will sit through it. Some of you don't even want to listen because they think they know it all through the title. But again, guys, the confusion in the title yesterday, or it was that I was saying that this could be a bullish crash. Now, what does that actually mean? It just simply means we've had this big rally up. Nothing goes up in a straight line forever. You need to retrace. Now, retrace so that we continue with our trends. So all we're doing is pumping. Now we're retracing. I'm not saying we're going to come all the way down to here, but this is the area we must hold. So it's actually fine if you come down to there. This is what I mean by a bullish crash. You need to eventually, after having this big run up, retrace, bullish crash before continuation. Now, of course, if we go ahead and lose this area, it's not a bullish crash, it's just a crash and we're going lower and lower. Because this is the area, this green box is the area we must hold as support simply because we were here for 6 months. Okay, from this point here to there, we were here for 6 months long. And of course, this was a support that we actually bounced from, was heading to the range highs, but we had a black swan event right there on the candle that lost the low. It was FTX. The FTX capitulation, FTX being a scam. So with that, it puts you down into bearish price targets. Now, simply by reclaiming it, we head to the range high. If you want me to teach you this, I can step by step. I will sit with you for 10 hours long. That's the mentorship course. You also get the video course included with the mentorship. Again, the mentorship is 10 hours long, 10 1-hour lessons. The course is 6 hours long with 30 plus videos. And with this, you also get my Discord group chat, which in the last week alone, we sent in 2 cryptos that have doubled in value. So both separately have doubled. It wasn't 50 here, 50 there. We doubled our money. No, that one doubled and the other one doubled. If you want to be part of my community, you have to do the education. You have to want to help yourself into mastering the charts. If you want to master the charts, hit that link tree. It's in the pinned comment section of the comments. It's also in the description down below. You hit that link tree. You can just support me as a creator, or you can just simply hit that Twitter link and private message me to get started with either the course or the mentorship. Remember, both include the chat where I am sharing crypto investment ideas, and everyone, there's over 70 people in there also sharing their trade and investment ideas. Everyone's just helping each other out, learning how to read the charts and master trading. This is the point. It's not a copy and paste thing. We're all putting in work, basically. So yeah, going forward, I'm still expecting this. Just because I say that, it doesn't mean we're going up today. You need to understand that, guys, because I had someone in the comments yesterday, silly thing, I'm not even going to mention it. But we're still expecting this. We're still expecting this. We're still expecting this and this. Some of you say you watch it on your phone, so 3 cent, 4 1 cent, 4 6 cent, 5 cent. We are going up there. But it doesn't mean we're there tomorrow. We're there today. No. Over the months, basically, guys. So just because I'm saying we're coming up there, it doesn't mean today we're zooming up there. We are allowed and can afford to come down. And so we just need this to hold this zone over here. And in doing so, we should then continue up to these price targets. You could easily continue now. But with the 2 more fundamental news events coming up today, we need to be very wary, especially this week. I was warning you guys every single day of this week. It's something that I tell my students. We don't want to trade during these sorts of weeks. If we want to be taught, so you have the checklist, so you know all the days you should avoid trading, the days that you want to be trading, a trading plan, psychology and mindset, pattern, absolutely everything you can think of. It's all there to teach you from zero knowledge. Now, you might think that you're a master, But if you're not profitable, you simply aren't. So if you want somewhere that is going to help you achieve this goal, then join the community through the mentorship or the course. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, we need to hold above this green box, the golden pocket over here, 2280-2503, and we should eventually continue back to our range high of 3.3 cent, and then onwards and upwards. Eventually, doesn't mean tomorrow, because this is not even coming tomorrow. Eventually we will meet these targets and actually can continue all the way up until 10 cent, as long as along the way up, even if we keep returning to this green box, as long as you hold that green box, we should head up to 10 cent. Do you understand that? Because this was that 6-month support bottom that we lost and we reclaimed it. If you want me to teach this so you actually understand what is going on every day, it will make my videos so simple. You understand absolutely everything. A lot of people, when they join, they say, I just wish I joined earlier. It's the same for me when I found my mentor. I was a fool for not just going to a place that I know was reliable, because I was learning off for free from a mentor off his YouTube videos. And I was like, you know what? I'm learning so much for free. However, I'm not consistent. I'm not profitable. I know what he's saying is working. I just can't do it by myself fully. And so I just invested in 3 of his courses and a mentorship session, which was only 2 hours long, and I had to pay $2,000 for it. And if you want to do the mentorship, it's 10 hours long, guys. So hit that link tree down below. Take yourself, whether it's to support me as a creator, you want to send in donations and send a nice thank you message for what I've done for you guys, or you can simply just hit that Twitter link and it will take you to my Twitter where you can private message me. That's LouisVibes_. It's all linked down below in the description and the comment section. Thank you guys.